is equal to G of s is equal to e power minus 1.0.2 s into k. So we can write k first. K into e power minus 0.2 s divided by s into s plus 2 into s plus 8. S into s plus 2 into s plus 8. Okay. Here, after sketching the Bode plot, please find the system. Find the system. Gain. System. Gain K for option A. Gain margin is equal to 2 dB. And option B, phase margin is equal to 45 degrees. Okay, that means when this gain margin is equal to 2 dB, what is the K value? And in second case, if the phase margin is equal to 45 degrees, what will be the K value? So this is our requirement. I want to design a system for getting gain margin is equal to 2 dB. Then what should I select the K value? There is a question. So we'll do for this problem. First, they asked to sketch the Bode plot. Of course, to find this, we can't do without sketching this Bode plot. So we'll write first the given the open loop transfer function g of s, that is k into e power minus 0.2 s divided by s into s plus 2 into s plus 8. Okay. Then we need to find out what should I do first step.
Convert into 1 plus st format.
1 plus st format, all should be in 1 plus st. So this e power we can't do anything, keep it as it is, that e power minus 2s divided by the denominator, it is s into, here it should come 1 plus st. So 2 we should take common. Okay, 2 I took common. So it is 1 plus s by 2 I can write. And here I can take 8 common. So 8 into 1 plus s by 8. This is equal to 2 into 8. It is 16. So 16 I will take into the numerator. So k by 16. What is 1 by 16 value? 0
0.062.
625 k into e power minus 0.2 s divided by s into 1 plus, this 1 by 2 is 0.5 yes, and this is 1 plus 1 by 8 is
0.125.
125. Yes, right, done. So now we have everything in the time constant form. Now what is the next step? What is the next step?
Substitute s is equal to j omega.
So substitute it. It is 0.0625 k into e power minus 0.2 j omega divided by j omega into 1 plus j 0.5 omega into 1 plus j 0.125 omega. Okay. Now next step is We need to find the magnitude response. So we'll calculate now magnitude response. So for finding the magnitude response, we will make a table. We make a table. Table. Okay. In the table, what should I write? First is the term. Next is corner frequency. Next is slope in dB per decade. Next is change in slope. That is also in dB per decade. Okay, done. Now fill the table. Tell me first term. Tell me the first term.
0.0625 K by J omega.
By J omega. Very good. What is the current frequency? Okay, write the first terms order. Next.
1 by 1 plus J 0.5S.
First five,
Omega.
0.5. Okay. Next.
1 by 1 plus J 0.125 omega.
Very good. 3 terms only. What about the C power? What, Pallavi?
Sir,
What about that E power? E power minus J 0.2 omega. Why you did not tell in the terms?
I thought it's a exponential term. So
Okay, it's a Andasha. Any answer for this? Why it is not considered in the table? Is not there. Okay. So anyhow, we no need to consider this exponential in the magnitude response because mod of minus e power j2 omega is equal to, what is the magnitude of this?
1.
1. That's why we no need to consider. Okay, right. Now tell me corner frequency.
No corner frequencies.
Next.
1 by 0. 2, sir.
Next. Omega c2.
8, sir.
8. Very good. Next. Slope.
Minus 20.
Very good.
Minus 20, sir.
Very good.
Minus 20.
Very good. Change in slope.
Minus 20.
Hmm.
Minus 40.
Very good.
Minus 60.
Very good. Here, if the people don't know, you can write it like this: minus 20 is added with the previous minus 20. So minus 20 minus 20 is equal to minus 40. You can show the calculation here. So minus 20 minus 40 is equal to minus 60. Okay, table is filled. The next step,
Phase response.
phase plot. We'll write the phase plot and keep ready the dots. Phase response. Phase response. Tell me what is the phase response? Phase angle
Sir,
equation.
first omega L we should find.
Omega.
L.
Omega L. What is the L? Oh,
Sir,
omega L. Okay, okay,
yes.
okay. Lower cutoff frequency should find. Okay, we'll find it. Tell me, omega L. What should I select?
Less than 2 radian per second.
Less than, okay, less than 2, okay.
Then
Then
omega L is 1 radian. You
omega
consider.
is equal to 1 radian per second. We can use it. That's better always. Next, therefore, first term magnitude. Therefore, 20 log of first term. Therefore, 20 log of 0.0625 k by j omega at omega L is equal to how much? Please substitute and calculate. Mod will be j will go out. Then in that you assume k is equal to 1. Let k is equal to 1 initially. Therefore, you tell me the value.
Minus 24.082 decibels.
0.8. So approximately minus 24.
Yes, sir.
Minus 24 dB. Done. Okay. Now come to this angle. We'll write first g of j omega and then we'll write 0.0625 k into e power minus 0.2 omega divided by s into 1 plus j 0.5 omega into 1 plus j 0.125 omega. Okay. Then what is the angle? Tell me. First, finish the numerator. This. What is the phase of this constant?
0.
0. K also constant. Leave it. Then remaining e power something. E power j theta. What is the phase angle of this? Hmm? Pallavi?
Don't know, sir.
Don't know. Say e power j theta. How to write? Cos.
Cos theta plus I sin theta.
Correct. No. So this is a complex number. How do you write the angle for this? Angle of a complex number.
Tan theta, sir.
Tan inverse of imaginary part divided by real part. This is tan inverse of tan theta. This is equal to theta. That means when there is a term like e power j theta, the theta is the angle of this term. Okay. Then similar way here, what is the phase? What is the angle?
Minus 0.2 omega.
Very good. That's it. Over the numerator. Then come to denominator.
Minus 90 degrees. J omega is
Minus 90 degrees.
minus tan inverse of 0.5 omega.
Very good.
Minus tan inverse of 0.125 omega.
0.125 omega. Right. Done. Now we have the equation. Now make a table. Make a table. Omega versus angle. Omega versus angle. Tell me, what are the omega values we should select?
0 to 8,
0 is 0 is
0.1.
0 we can't show in the plot, so leave it.
Yes, sir.
0 point
0, 1
0.1 now. Okay, make it next.
and 2.
2 1 you should take no omega L.
Yes, sir. Omega L1. Then 2.
2. So this is omega C1. Next,
Omega C to 8.
8 we should take. Then
Then
next,
any numbers.
same number you can take. We'll take 10 and 100. Okay,
Okay.
two more values. Yeah, tell me values, degrees. Calculate and tell me in degrees.
Sir,
Right?
you said if it is an A minus JP format, we'll have 2. This no, sir. For finding phase response.
Not getting Pallavi once again.
Sir, last time when we asked like for first problem, we had 2 formulas, sir, for finding phase response.
Here only one formula.
Okay, sir.
I told whenever the situation comes like this, tan inverse of omega by minus 2, like this,
Okay, sir.
the real part is negative, then only this we can write it simply tan inverse of omega by 2.
Okay, sir.
That time we should write 180 degrees minus tan inverse of pi by omega by 2. Okay.
Okay.
Sometimes the situation comes like omega by omega n or minus omega n, exactly to say.
Hmm.
That kind minus omega by omega n we can write it.
Okay, sir.
And that kind situation, because omega by omega here in the denominator itself we got omega minus omega n maybe. So when omega is smaller compared to omega n, then we got minus in the down.
Yes, sir.
For omega greater than omega n, this is positive only. That situation won't come. So we have two conditions.
Okay, sir.
But here only one variable omega, so only one equation.
Okay, sir.
Yes, quickly tell the values. Yes, answers please. Yes, everybody do one and put in the chat box to everyone. That will be easy, no? Yes. Yes, Pallavi put one first one minus 93.59. Degrees. Next. Guys, if you practice, then only you can do it. You can do in the external examination these calculations, otherwise difficult. So this is a problematic. There is no chance of getting the answer from any mode. Yes. One more value. Minus 123.89 degrees. Pallavi completed. Pallavi completed.
Sir, 100 I am finding, sir.
I think 10 also you should find now.
Sir, right now I'm sending.
Remaining people are not doing. At least one value you can do, no? Pallavi, in the external examination, you don't help to anyone. Let them learn.
Sir, minus 284.2, sir.
So over minus 284.27. Yes. Basically, here.
Yeah, 1 minute, sir. This one, 218 is there, no, sir. That is minus 222, sir.
222.
Okay, sir.
Actually, here we can stop the table at this point. Why no, Pallavi?
Because it's the last corner frequency, sir.
What
For
we-
180 degree.
Very good. That's all. In this, we need to get minus 180 degrees. That's all. Once it is crossed, remaining values are not required. If it is not getting till the end of the point, we will try one more point. One more point we will try. If already got means not required. Just 4 points enough.
Okay, sir.
Right. So basically to say, actually this points also not required. Only these 3 points you can do. In that also better to take in between these 2 and 8 because in between only we'll get 180 degrees. So if you take 3, 4, 5, 6 like that, you will get exact point where we are getting minus 180 degrees. That actually is good. Okay. Anyhow, we have finished that table. Now we'll go to the plot. I will stop the share. Take the plot. Okay, I'm sharing the screen. Plot. Okay, so first we'll keep the scale. So what is the x-axis scale? Where should I start? So what is the first color?
0.1.
Oh, 0.1 only. Okay, good. Here it is 1,
1,
10,
100.
1000.
That's
Enough. So this is omega axis, radian per second, right? Then y axis,
Minus 120 is maximum, sir. Minimum minus 20.
Minimum minus 20, maximum
Minus 120. Sir.
minus 120. Oh, angular or dB.
Sir, dB only, sir. Change in slope. Total minus 120, sir.
Minus 120.
Yes, sir. Minus 20, minus 40, minus 60.
Okay, okay. Then I will take it minus 20 here. Then minus 40, minus 60, minus 80, minus 100, minus 120. Okay, this is 0. Okay, okay. Then next, what should I start? Where should I start? First term starting point.
0.1. 1.
Omega
One
L. We should
is
start
1.
1 omega L is equal to. Okay, then what is the y point? Magnitude
Minus 20.
minus 24, right?
Yes, sir.
This is minus 24. Here, you should keep a point. Should keep a point here. This is the first point. Okay, done. Next, what is the ending point for the first term? Next decade. So we should take.
10.
So this is the x line. Okay, then y point
Minus 44.
minus 44. I mean, change is to minus 20.
Minus 20. Sir.
So now it will be minus 44 here, here. So here is the point. Done. Then we will add this. We'll add these 2 points. Just with the scale, you draw it. The scale, you draw it. This is the line. Okay, done. Next, next point.
Next point 2, sir.
Next, we should start at 2. This is 2 radian per second. Omega C2 is the starting point for the second term. That means here it is touching here. So what is this magnitude? This is the point. But what is this magnitude at this point?
30. Minus 30.
Minus 30. Okay. So minus 30 is the starting point. For this. Okay, done. Then next ending point for this second term. Next decade. Here. Then what is the y point?
Minus 84. Sir.
Minus 84, because minus 40 we should add. So minus 84 means here. Minus 84. Here. This is the point. Done. Hey, minus 84, how it is minus 84? We should add
Next,
30.
this one we should add, sir. Minus 30. Minus 70. Sir.
Yes. It is minus 70, minus 30, we should add minus 40. So minus 70 means this is 8 and this is the 70. Minus 70. Middle point. This is the one. Done. Now you join these two lines. Join these two lines. Right, joined. Then next, step
8, sir.
8. So omega C2 is 8. This is 9, this is 8. 8. Omega C2. 8 is here. Then this is 8. Here it is touching. What is this value?
Sir, 1 minute, sir. I'm plotting actually.
Yeah, you plot it. It's better. Mine is not with the scale I'm drawing. So you people better to draw and tell me correct value. I'll wait. Yes. Please, all of you draw it in your plot.
Sir,
Picture
here minus 30 is there, no, sir? Actually, I got in middle, sir. Between minus 24 and that,
Then how much it will be?
where around minus 28 or 29.
28. No, 28 means this is the point.
Okay, sir.
So just equally divide. You just clearly you can say 24.
After 24 in middle, I got, sir.
Then 20,
Minus 24 middle.
then 26. Right now,
Yes, sir.
how it is Pallavi 28. That much. Check it Pallavi properly.
Sir, after 24, I have one line, sir. After that, between the two lines, I got, sir.
You mark each point as a 4. Like first 20. No. Next line is 24. Next line is 28. Next line is 32. Like 4 divisions.
Okay, sir.
Then you can easily say what is that value.
Sir, approximately 29 or 30 only, sir.
Then correct one. What we did is correct.
Okay, sir. Sir, minus 50, sir, this one. 8 touching line. Sir, you're on mute, sir.
Okay, Pallavi, no issue. Tell me, I will try.
Ending point will be minus 110.
Okay, Pallavi. Now we got the 2 points, so we'll join these two. From this point to this point. Yes. Okay. So I think all these are in the same line. Okay, 20 degrees, 20 dB, 20 dB slope. Okay, now I will highlight 3 terms over, no, Pallavi?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, now I will highlight. First, from here to the first corner frequency. And this first corner frequency to second corner frequency, straight line, highlight it. From the second corner frequency, then second corner frequency to the next point, you can just draw a line. It is minus 20 dB per decade. This is also minus 20 dB per decade slope, and this is again minus 20 dB per decade slope. Okay, so 3 terms over. But here, what to find? In order to find the gain margin, phase margin, gain crossover frequency is required, right? So for that, we need to extend this line and please touch 0 dB line somewhere. With a scale, just extend this line. Already line is there, extend. Somewhere it will touch 0 dB, it will be useful for further. And here it is touching for me. That frequency is called gain crossover frequency, right? What is that frequency, Pallavi, got? Gain crossover frequency. How much you got? You please use the scale, then you will get correct reading.
Somewhere 0.6, sir.
Sorry,
0.6.
0.6. Are you sure? This is 0.2, 3, 0.4, 0.5, 0.6. Mean here, I don't think so, Pallavi. That much early it will.
Sorry, sir, I just counted wrong line. Between 0.1 and 0.2, sir.
0.10.
Sixth line of 0.1 and 0.2 lines. 0.16.
16, okay.
Yes.
0.16 radians per second. Yes. Okay. We'll leave this magnitude response. Now we'll go to the phase plot. Yeah, phase plot. Phase plot. What is the range? Pallavi, scale.
Sir, many Minimum is minus 93, sir.
93. Okay.
93.5.
So 90 degrees. I will start. Next.
Maximum 212.
112.
Sir, no need of considering 10 and 100, no, sir.
No need.
Then minus 212.
112. So I can put minus 100, minus 110, minus 120, minus 130, minus 140, minus 150, minus 160. No, no, no. I think I should use 10. 2 I should use. So minus 110, minus 130, minus 150, minus 170, minus 190, then minus 210, then minus 240. Okay, then 10. First point. Hello, first point.
For 0.1 minus 94, sir.
94 means here. This is the point. Right. Next.
And for 1 minus 124, sir.
1 minus 124. This is 110. This is 130. 120 means 14, 18, 22, 24 means here. Minus 124.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, this is the point. Right. Next.
And for 2 minus 150, sir.
Minus 150 exactly.
Sir, I got minus 149.
Okay, approximately 150. Next.
Next for 8 minus 212.5.
212.
12.5.
212.
Yes, sir.
212. So here in between 212. Right. Done, no? That's it.
Yes, yes, sir.
Now we will join this. Join this points. Right. Okay, phase plot is done. Now identify this omega PC phase crossover frequency. Where is phase crossover frequency? That means where is 180 degrees? This is 170, 190. Exactly this point. Yes, what is this line? Omega 2, 3, 4. So omega PC is equal to 4 radian per second. Pallavi, you got same? Any difference?
Sir, actually, I'm plotting still minus.
Okay, do it. Read and confirm.
Sir, I got 4 radians per second, sir.
Yeah. So same answer. Okay, now we got omega GC and omega PC. So for this, K is equal to 1, omega GC is equal to 0.16 and omega PC is equal to 4 radian per second. We got, okay, radian per second. Now, what is GM? Tell me. Gain margin for K is equal to 1. What is the gain margin? It is minus 20 log of the magnitude at omega PC. See, at omega PC, what is the magnitude? What is the magnitude value? Minus 44. Omega PC is 4 radian per second. At this 4, what is the magnitude value?
Minus 90, sir.
Are you sure?
Yes, sir.
How it is, Pallavi? Mine is just showing minus 44.
Sir, here, sir. Omega PC is 4, sir.
Omega PC is 4 only. At
Yes,
this
sir.
point, if you just go
Oh,
up,
Up, sir.
only.
Up, it is 40, minus 44, sir.
Minus 44. Exactly.
Yes, sir. Exactly minus 44.
So minus 44. That means minus of minus 44. This will give you plus 44 dB. This is the GM. Right. Now, what about phase margin? Phase margin. Phase margin is equal to 5 GC plus
180 degree plus QGC.
5 GC. Yeah, 5 GC is equal to phase angle at omega GC. See, at omega GC, that means at 0.16 radian per second. What is the phase angle? What is this angle? What is this angle, Pallavi? Maybe 108 or 106. Pallavi? This is equal to. Pallavi, what is this?
Sir,
5?
108, sir.
8 or 6?
94. 98. 90, somewhere around 907, 108.
Okay, 107 degrees. Limit. Therefore, PM value is equal to 107 plus 180 is equal to, it is minus, right?
Sir,
Right.
minus 107.
Minus 107. Therefore, the angle is the phase margin.
73 degrees.
73 degrees, right? Since both are positive, the system is stable. That is understand. Okay. The thing is, what they asked is different. They want to they asked to calculate K value for the given GM value and phase margins. Okay. If you are clear with this, I'll go to that part.
Clear.
Yeah, I'll stop share screen. I'll just go to the calculation. So next calculation. So option A. Option A. What is option A? Find K value at gain margin is equal to 2 dB. Right?
Yes, sir.
So what is the present value at K is equal to 1? What is the GM value? What?
44 dB.
34. Are you sure, Pallavi?
Yes, sir.
Oh, I think I remember that we will get 32 around the answer.
Okay.
If it is correct, okay, then leave it. No issue. In the plot, we should carefully draw, otherwise answer will go wrong. What I remember is 32, but we got 44. If it is correct, leave it.
Sir, if we move upwards, it will meet minus 44 lines, sir, actually.
You drawn with the scale only, no?
Yes, sir, and draw scale only.
Then
Sir, which lines? It should meet magnitude line, sir. Magnitude.
gain margin is what is the gain magnitude plot at omega pc. Omega pc is 4 radian per second. That is correct, huh?
Yes, sir. 4 only, sir.
Okay, then at this point, what is the magnitude?
Sir, yes, sir. Somewhere around minus 42 only, sir. Actually.
Oh, okay. That you take care. Whether I should write 42 or 44, tell me.
Right, 42 only, sir.
Okay, then I should change the plot also.
No, sir. No.
Okay, then
Same.
I will keep it same 44.
Okay.
Then you correct yourself and the remaining people also based on your plot. How accurately your plot you draw. From that only you take the values. Yeah.
If it is offline, we would have known well, sir.
Maybe correct only. Then what to do? Yeah, it's okay. If it is 44, then processor anyhow same only. Nothing will be different. If this is the 44 dB we got for k is equal to 1, then we need to get 2 dB. How to get 2 dB? See, we got the plot like this. Sorry. We got the plot like this. So 3 like this we got. And here at omega PC, we got the magnitude of minus 44. Correct? Huh? So therefore we got gain margin is equal to 44. Now what I want is I want to make it 2. Minus 2 I need to get at phase margin. Then what should I do? I need to shift this point by some amount, right? I need to shift up. Are you getting?
Yes, sir.
So I need to shift the total plot to this point. Therefore, I will get the plot like this. Just total plot is shifted to here. Now, when I see this at omega PC, the magnitude became minus 2. So that my gain margin will be 2 dB. So how it will happen? If I add some amount to this existed plot, then only it is shifted to this point. So how much amount I should add to this to shift up? But Pallavi,
Sir, how much dB it should shift, sir?
see, here I am at minus 44.
Yes, sir.
I should be shifted to minus 2. How much I should add to this?
Minus 40 plus 42.
Very good. So therefore 20 log k is equal to 42. This much shift is required. Okay. Therefore k is equal to, from this, so log k is equal to 42 by 20. That is equal to 2.1. Correct? Huh?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, therefore k is equal to 10 power 2.1. How much?
125.8.
25.8.
125.8.
125.8. Okay. Therefore, K is equal to 125.8 at gain margin is equal to 2 dB. Done. Understood this step?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Next, B. Pallavi, should I go slowly here? Are you following? Should I wait?
No, sir, I not done.
Okay. Then we'll take the next point. B. B is what is the key value for phase margin is equal to 45 degrees. We know that we at K is equal to 1, the phase margin is equal to how much you got, Pallavi?
73 degrees.
73 degrees. Okay. This is a 5. So 70 degrees, 23 degrees, how did we get? This is the phase plot, something like this. And at this is the omega GC point. And at this point, what is the angle? It is minus 180 degrees. Okay. Sorry, at this omega GC, what is the angle?
Minus 24.
Minus 24. Angle. Omega GC. At omega GC, what is the angle we had? I think 107.
Yes, sir, 107.
Yeah, minus 107 degrees. Okay, this is angle. So angle we have minus 107 degrees. That means this is nothing but 5 GC. Okay. So at this point, omega GC is equal to minus 107 degrees. Okay, yeah. And what should be this omega GC to get phase margin is equal to 45 degrees? Since phase margin is equal to 180 degrees plus 5 GC, if phase margin to be 45 degrees, 5 GC must be equal to 5 GC is equal to how much?
Minus 135 degrees.
Minus 135. Here minus 135 degrees it should get. That means instead of minus 107 degrees, 5 GC must be somewhere here. That means minus 135 degrees should get as a 5 GC point, new 5 GC. We should, that means this omega GC must not be at this point. Phase plot, we should not touch anything, okay? This omega GC must not be here. It should be here, correct? It should be here.
Yes.
Omega GC must be here. This is the new point. Okay, omega GC must be here. But if it is so, this is the what is that magnitude response. This is the magnitude response. If you want to shift this omega GC from here to here, at this point, why we put omega GC at this point? Because the magnitude is 0 dB here, correct? In order to
Yes,
get
sir.
omega GC at this point, we need to make sure or shift this plot and make sure that this will go to 0 dB. This should be at 0 dB. So where should I shift, to up or down?
Up.
Up. So I should shift up and I should make sure that this should be at this point. So I will shift this total plot to this some amount. Then this point will go to here. So then 0 dB occurs at this point. Therefore, where 0 dB occurs, that omega value is the omega c. Therefore, at this omega c GC, what is the phase angle? Is the 5GC. When this is the 5GC, this will be the phase margin. This will be the phase margin 45 degrees. So in order to get this, this must be the phase 5GC. In order to get this 5GC, omega GC must be here. In order to make this omega GC here, this magnitude response must be 0 dB at this point. So since it is not 0 dB, what is this point? That much amount I should add to this to go to 0. So what is this point? Tell me. Pallavi, where 5GC is equal to 135 degrees, just draw this kind of line and uh, at this point, what is the magnitude? You tell me this point.
Okay.
What is this point? That's it. Magnitude. What is this magnitude?
Sir, minus 135 meets at minus 42, sir. This 135 meets at minus 42.
Minus 42 dB. Yeah? This point is
Yes.
minus 42.
No, down, sir, down.
This one?
That one, yes, sir.
This is minus 42. Okay. I want this point.
107. Oh, okay. To shift.
Nothing. This minus 132 point, just draw a line. It will
Minus 24, sir.
minus 20. This is minus 24.
Yes, sir.
Are you sure?
Yes, sir.
First thing is this 5GC minus 135, draw a small line.
Yes, sir.
You touch the phase plot somewhere.
Yes, sir.
That is omega GC, new omega GC.
Yes, sir.
Add this new omega GC, just make it up and find it where it is touching the magnitude plot.
Sir, it minus 24. Sir.
Then this is minus 24. Therefore, 20 log K is equal to how much we should shift?
24, sir, plus 24.
Plus 24 is required. Therefore, log K is equal to 24 by 20. This is 1.7, sorry, 1.2. Therefore, K is equal to 10 power 1.2. What is the answer?
15.8.
115.8.
15.84.
15. Oh,
Sir.
0.5, not 115. Huh?
No, sir. 15.84.
So K is equal to 15.8 for the second value. The phase margin to be at 45 degrees. That's it.